and right
What's the other one?
subclavian.
Subclavian.
Yeah, right subclavian. Okay. Now we just chases the following the left carotid. Okay.
It
Left
reappears right there.
Yes, you keep going. You keep going. Then you see. Yeah. So this is.
Did we damage it?
Yeah, many damage over here. You still have something. So that's the.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, you see that?
Those two?
This is superior thyroid. Okay, you still get a little bit of thyroid gland over here. Superior thyroid. And this is the larynx, right? So laryngeal. You guys probably already damaged. You see some traces over here? You see that?
Yeah.
Okay. That's laryngeal. You can see it keep going. Keep going now. I need a yeah to cut some muscles over here.
Okay, so all the things that I just took right now are the inside
Alright. Just see where it goes. You can see one of the branch going to the middle. That's a lingual.
Oh, and then that other branch right there?
Yes, other branch going to the side. Okay. So this going to the side is the it's very short. This piece is external carotid. External carotid.
And then it splits off.
Splits off. And this probably is the salivary duct from parotid gland. So we keep going. We actually can cut the structure. We don't need that. Okay, we can cut it. Just a little bit careful. Alright. It blocks us. So
there's the branch.
yes, you see the branch. And this branch above, this smaller one, going to supplying the parotid gland. So this is parotid.
Parotid.
Okay. Underneath, this one is internal maxillary.
Internal maxillary. Okay.
Internal maxillary. You see that?
Yeah.
And the one above keep going. Can you see that? This one keep going and has a branch to here. This is labial. This one is labial. And the one keep going underneath. Underneath, following the mandibular is the submental. Okay, this branch happens over here.
You showed us the internal maxillary. Did you show us the external maxillary?
External maxillary is this
external.
one. This is external maxillary.
Where's internal?
Internal is this one.
Okay, so external is...
Yeah, so the
parotid.
Parotid is rising from the external maxillary.
And below that is internal.
Internal.
Okay.
Okay? And this keep going, then you see the branch over here.
Yeah.
One going up, we call it labial.
Labial.
One keep going underneath is submandibular.
Submandibular.
Okay?
Got it?
You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, so on this side, we need to explore a little bit more. Okay? So this is left subclavian, right? Left subclavian. You see one, and this one, can you see this one? You actually caught it here, right? It's going down like this, going down like this. This one, can you see?
Yeah.
Okay? This is what we call the internal mammary. So, yeah, if it's a female, there are
Goes to the breast.
a list of mammary glands over here. That's why it's supplying the nutrition to the mammary glands. Okay? Internal left mammary, there's a right one over here.
Right where
Okay.
we cut.
Right over here, yes. Both being caught. Okay? So that's the internal mammary. Then we can dig a little bit deeper over here. You can see the vertebral. Okay, vertebral will be arising near here. There are three one actually arising in this area. This is a nerve. Okay, we just have this nerve. Now you can see one over here. See that? Vertebra. Okay? It's vertebra supplying the brain. Okay, together with the common carotid. Okay, you get a vertebra. And then you get this one. Alright? This one, and they should have another one. Okay, get this one. Then we get
knock out a bit.
should have another one in between. So this one looks like to me is the cyrocervical, and we should have another one before the cyrocervical.
Coastal cervical.
Coastal cervical. Cyrocervical supplying the shoulder. This one going to the shoulder, and we should have another one close to here, supplying the chest wall.
Is it this one? Like that thing that's cut right there? Is this right there?
No, this is internal memory.
Oh, it's internal memory.
Yeah, this is internal
And
memory.
it should go and connect over there.
The greater, the big part, the lesser curvature, the longer. The fundus is just the top part of the stomach. So like if you were to draw like a big red line right here across,
Yeah, it's not here.
that is the fundus.
Yeah.
So fundus, pylorus,
It should be between there, right? Right
Yeah,
there somewhere.
yeah.
Okay.
the body is just obviously
I don't know, probably damaged. Here, it's here. See?
What
Alright?
is that?
Cyrocervical.
Coastal cervical.
Coastal cervical.
Coastal cervical.
Okay, coastal
And then
cervical.
that's coastal cervical.
This
The
is
one
this is cyrocervical.
thyroid.
Coastal
thyroid,
cervical.
Coastal
Vertebra.
vertebral.
Okay? And then this piece will pass through the body wall, get into on this side. This is we call the auxiliary. Okay? So this is
Auxiliary
auxiliary.
armpit.
Armpit. Okay? Passing the body wall. Auxiliary. Then you keep going. Then you see this is scapula, right? There is one branch supplying the muscles of the scapula. We call it subscapula.
It's pretty big.
Yeah, it's a quite big branch actually. So this one together with the vein, the artery. So this is the artery. Okay, see the artery?
Yeah. Subscapula.
Subscapula, and then keep going, get into the arm, becomes the brachial.
Is it that superficial one?
No.
the esophagus comes through the diaphragm. So then diaphragmatic hiatus. We had a cut.
That one?
Then it becomes brachial.
Hiatus is like space. Well, I don't.
This one.
The space where the esophagus comes through the diaphragm.
Okay.
That's the diaphragmatic hiatus.
Brachial. Keep going. All the way down to here and pass through the foramen and get into the forearm. Into the forearm, then you can see actually it's going to be a branch into radius, and arm.
The
So that's brachial get into here,
That's the pancreas.
and then you see the branch of radius. So this is radius, and this is ulna.
So it branches off into two.
Yeah, you see the branch here?
Mm-hmm.
Radius, ulna.
Okay.
Okay.
So it starts at the armpit.
Starts from here,
That is the,
auxiliary.
and it passes through the body wall.
Yeah, past the body wall, auxiliary. Then
Auxiliary.
becomes the. You see the branch to
The
produce
subscapular?
subscapular. Okay, subscapular.
Uh-huh.
Then it becomes the brachial.
Those,
Brachial get in the arm.
but does that branch off the subscapular?
Yeah, after the subscapular.
Okay.
It becomes brachial.
Brachial.
Brachial all the way.
All the way
Get into here,
into the radial and
into the radial, medial side, lateral.
ulna.
Okay. And on here, if you push the lung to the side, you can see the aorta. Okay, that going down. Okay, hold the lung. Hold the lung. Okay. So
Oh.
this is the aorta. Okay, on this side, if we I damaged one of the vessel. Okay, see this?
Oh, those
That's
are the
intercostal. Okay, blood vessels branching and get into the between the ribs.
Uh-huh.
Those are intercostal. Okay,
Are any
see
of them
this
cervical?
one, this is one, this is one. All these are the intercostal. You see
Okay.
that?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
You see?
Uh-huh.
And on the other side, this is the esophagus. Can you see this one?
Mm-hmm.
Big two.
Esophageal. That's esophageal.
Esophageal.
Yeah, that's
vessel.
supplying. There are three. Okay, this is one of it. So if you carefully break this membrane, you see another one here. See?
Okay. And they're right on the outside of the esophagus.
Yes, the medial side is esophageal, the lateral side intercostal. Okay, so that's for today.
Thank you.
Look how